Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us see how to pass the journal entry. It is a 6-mark problem in which they have given the forfeiture of shares. Forfeiture of shares means they have cancelled the shares. Now see the question. The question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question. The directors of the company prepared a scheme of reconstruction as follows. So they are following the reconstruction scheme to forfeit 3000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, on which rupees 3 per share call money is not paid. So they are cancelling this 3000 equity shares. The value of these shares was rupees 10, but in that 10 rupees they had received only 7 rupees and 3 rupees they had not received. To reduce the remaining 9,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each by rupees 3 per share. So apart from that, there were 9,000 equity shares. That value they are reducing by 3 per share. So they are reducing 3 rupees per share. That means 3 rupees they are sacrificing. Each shareholder is sacrificing 3 rupees. Next is they are given directly the sacrificing amount here. Next, to reissue the forfeited share of rupees 5 per share. So whatever the forfeited, whatever the cancelled shares was there, that they are reissuing at rupees 5. And to reduce and to make use of provision for taxation available, so that also is sacrificed. So 4000 is also sacrificed. Next, to reduce the assets, so the assets how it should be reduced, they have given that we need to pass the journal entry. Now see here, first they have told that forfeiture of shares. So the entry will be equity share capital account. So total it was actually 3000 shares. Actual share value was 10 rupees. So consider it as 30,000. 2. Forfeiture. They are forfeiting shares. So forfeiture shares account. How much they had received? 3 per call not paid. See, 10 rupees. See here. So the value of share was 10 rupees. In this 10 rupees, 7 rupees is paid and 3 rupees is not paid. So 7 rupees they have received the money. So 3000 into 7. It will be 21,000. It is on final call. So to final call account. Final call. How much money they have not received? They have not received 3 rupees on each share. That is 9,000. So being share forfeited. Being share forfeited is the entry. Now second entry they have what they have told. To reduce the remaining 9,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each by rupees 3. They have given directly how much they have sacrificed. So the entry will be equity share capital account. So total 9,000 shares are there and 3 rupees they are sacrificing. So it will be 27,000. All the sacrifices should be transferred to capital reduction account. Whatever the sacrifice they have made, it should be transferred to capital reduction account. Narration will be being equity share value reduced. Next, to reissue the forfeited share of rupees 5 per share. So see here 7 rupees they had paid. Now this 7 rupees value share they are issuing at 5 rupees they are issuing. So remaining 2 rupees they are giving discount. So the entry will be bank account. They are issuing means they will get money. So they are reissuing this 3000 shares at rupees 5. So it is 15,000. They are giving discount. So It's a loss, so we need to debit forfeiture share account. How much discount they are giving? 2 rupees discount. So 3000 into 2, that is 6000. 2 equity share capital account. 2 equity share capital account. It will be 21,000. This is a third journal entry. Now next I have told that to make provision for taxes. But before that, here you see, here we have earned a profit of 7 rupees and here we have made a loss of 2 rupees. Now that we need to adjust. The entry will be forfeiture share account debit. So here 21,000 we have credited and here 6,000 we have debited. So from 21,000 we need to minus 6,000. It will be 15,000. Forfeiture account debited to capital reduction account, because that is a sacrifice, that is a extra profit we have now. Capital reduction account 15,000. Next, provision for taxes available they have told. So provision for taxation 4,000 rupees is available. That 4,000 also we need to transfer it to capital reduction account. Capital reduction account. How much it is? 4,000 rupees. Now the last journal entry is we need to write off the assets they have told. So for that we will use capital reduction amount balances. So capital reduction account. Now see here. Here we have 27,000 plus here we have 15,000 plus here we have 4,000. So 27,000 plus 15,000 plus 4,000. 27,000 plus 15,000 plus 4,000 will be 46,000. 46,000. Now goodwill to be reduced to nil, means all 10,000 we need to write off to goodwill account. 10,000 we need to write off. Next, machinery, from 15,000 we need to reduce it to 10,000. So 15,000 minus 10,000, it will be 5,000. That 5,000 we need to write. Next, stock should be reduced from 30,000 to 15,000. So 30,000 minus 15,000 will be 15,000. Next, debtors. They are given debtors. Debtors has to be reduced from 20,000 to 10,000. So 20,000 minus 10,000 is 10,000. Now from this 46,000 minus 10,000 and minus 5,000 minus 15,000 minus 10,000, you will get a difference figure of 6,000. That we need to transfer it to capital reserve account. Capital reserve account. This is how we need to solve the problem. Hope you have understood this problem very well. If you have any doubt, please put your queries in the comment box. We will try to respond to your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.